Hi guys, this is Nathan, and welcome back to my channel. For this episode, I will unbox the Kotobukiya ArtfxJ Tanjiro Kamado, the main protagonist from the hit anime Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba. Thank you Sir Sean of MooMoo Toys for this figure. So let's start. This figure is 1/8 scale and measures approximately 7 inches in height. And this comes with a bonus alternate head. So he has the scar on the top left of his forehead. He wears a checkered black and seafoam green haori. He also wears his Hanafuda earrings, and he holds his Nichiren blade ready for battle. So Kotobukiya is known because they make high quality figures. The sculpting and painting of this figure are all good. And overall, I like this figure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe. For the next episode, I'm going to unbox his younger sister. This is Nezuko, also from the Kotobukiya line. And stay safe and see you guys next time.